So, I had this plan to record and do all this special edits and stuff, but as I just showed, it's 8:40. I'm supposed to be at the airport at 9, and my clothes ain't even out to dry. So it look like I ain't even coming no more. Bye.
Bye. You can know what you want, you can know what you should be doing, but how do you make yourself do it when the feelings and the motivation isn't there? When all you got is fear? You can always control what you think and how you behave. And we spend way too much time trying to focus on manipulating how we feel about things, and not enough time practicing the skills of controlling your behavior and your thoughts. A lot of us are sitting around waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel courageous, waiting to feel confident, waiting for the right time, and that's not ever coming. Ever. Ever. You're not going to change your life up here. You only change it through action. We make decisions of feelings. 95% of our decisions are made by how you feel in the moment, and that is the problem. You need to take control of the moment.
Who is they? First of all, no, I'm sticking to this point. I said I never made you wait that long before. Golly, man. Gotta get this camera to sit up, man. They ain't even acting right. So I need to record this video real quick before I go in the store. Let me turn this AC down. Hopefully it ain't too loud and y'all can't hear. But yes, as you can tell, I really did fly out here to be homeless. It's not the best decision I have ever made, but it might turn out to be the most worthwhile decision I have ever made. Being here, I don't think it really has hit me yet that I'm really back in LA. And I don't know when it's going to hit me. But I can say that it's a whole different vibe. Like, it's a whole different feeling this time. Last time I felt like I was just a little bit too cocky, maybe too arrogant, so I had to be humbled. And I don't know what better way to humble your ass than completely fail and have you go back to your hometown. So now this time I'm coming with a whole different attitude. I'm gonna really be forced to be completely 100% out of my comfort zone. So I don't know what other better way to expect you to have a great outcome than to being completely 100% out of your comfort zone. This is gonna be the car that I'm going to be living in until, well, actually my plan was to get a hotel or Airbnb like every 3 or 4 days. Just to keep it as realistic as possible. Cause I know that sleeping in your car ain't no joke. This shit is finna be a whole different experience. Right now I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in here and get this sunshade. Cause even though it's Cali cool breezes around here, it's still hot in the car. And I'm gonna need to have some sort of shade when I'm asleep. So I'm finna black these windows out, you feel me? I need that privacy, you feel me? I need that nighttime, nighty-night sleep. But yeah, I ran out of shit to say, so. For everybody that don't know, I'm not even sure if I said this before, so this might be my first time, but I did rent a car. Right now, I'm going through all my stuff just to find some deodorant and something to wear to the gym. About to go to the gym. It's 1:18. Go to the gym, shower, get that pump. Oh, I went to Walmart, bought some pre-workout because I'm feeling sleep. Gotta wake up, ain't got no time for sleep. Out here on this grind, looking at these palm trees in Burbank. Probably need to, shit, I don't know. Just left the gym, got that shoulder pump. Ain't been to Wobble Grill in 6 months. Time to see if the wait was worth it. Just left Wobble. About to chill for a little bit. Let this food settle. You know what I'm talking about? And then I'm gonna go to work for a couple of hours. Then I might have something special for y'all. So pretty much shit didn't go as planned. This is a weird camera angle, but I'm trying some shit here. It didn't go as planned. I was thinking that I was gonna work for a couple hours, but turns out that Postmates is having a $7.30 $2 bonus per delivery, so we're gonna hold that off. So I'm just gonna update my resume real quick because I'm out here looking for a job. I ain't playing no games. I'm sitting here parked at IKEA parking lot way in the back though, so I don't look too suspicious, but I do look though.
Two hours later.
24-hour subway is key. $11.13. Just got done putting in some work. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired as hell. I'm trying to call it a night, but we gotta work until at least like 2 or 3 in the morning. This shit is getting ridiculous. Today started at 8. It's 11. Ain't gonna end till 2. Wake up tomorrow at 9. Edit. And do the same thing all over again. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't know if I can take it. But I gotta should have made Shit, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm asleep.